Are you struggling to get search engine crawlers to see your website? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to correctly set up your htaccess file for proxying search engine crawl requests. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your website isn't being indexed properly. You've put in all that hard work building your site with React and WordPress, and now you want to ensure search engines can see it. This is a common issue many developers face. Here's the situation. One user reached out asking how to fix their htaccess file to proxy requests from search engines. They mentioned that their setup works for inner pages, but not for the home page. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The htaccess file is crucial for controlling how requests are handled on your server. If it's not set up correctly, search engines might miss your home page while crawling. Let's break down the rules you've tried and see how we can fix them. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help ensure your site is always crawl-friendly. To begin fixing the rewrite rule, the user should ensure that the conditions for the home page and inner pages are correctly defined. The first step is to modify the existing rewrite rule to accommodate both cases. Next, the user needs to add a specific condition for the home page. This will ensure that requests to the home page are handled correctly without affecting the inner pages. Now, the user should check the order of the rules. It's important that the home page rule is processed before the inner page rule to avoid conflicts. Finally, the user should test the changes using the Fetch as Google tool in Google Webmasters to confirm that both the home page and inner pages are being proxied correctly. Fun fact, did you know that search engines like Google have their own bots that crawl the web? It's like having tiny robots scouring the internet for information. Pretty cool, right? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests changing your rewrite rule to ensure both the home page and inner pages are proxied correctly. They recommend using this line, htaccess.example.com 3000/ps/example.com/1pl. This adjustment allows the rule to match any request, including the home page. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach suggests avoiding repetitions in your htaccess file. First, keep the existing conditions for checking if the request is a file or directory and if the user agent is Googlebot. Then, change the rewrite rule from not matching anything to a more inclusive pattern like matching anything. This way, both the home page and inner pages can be proxied correctly. Here's a pro tip. Always test your htaccess changes using tools like Fetch as Google in Google Webmasters. This way, you can see how your site appears to search engines and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. With the right htaccess configuration, your homepage should now be visible to search engines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.